Good morning, good morning. This is Anako Kubonsam. And today I just picked my form. I wanted to be the member of parliament. So I'm just gonna fill my form, you know. Yeah. And I'm talking to you now. I'm just putting things together so that everything's gonna be okay and good things to come in Office of constituency. You know, people are gonna say that why in Anako Kubonsam you want to be a member of parliament, because in my constituency things are not moving good here. And nothing going on good. Everything's messed up. So I wanted to contest. Let everybody see. I want everybody to see it. I'm not joking. But charge on blame. Yeah. Yes. This is my form. I wanted to be a member of parliament in Ofinso North constituency. So today I just picked my form, share the video. I want everybody to see that Anako Kubonsam has already picked his form for the election. Yes. And I'm doing it. I'm just trying to do it. So this is how it goes. So to respect, you all should support me in your prayers so that I can win the election. Yes, this is how it is. So I'm feeling it, and then I'm going to submit it as a member of parliament. So I'm talking to you now. I'm feeling it. I get all these names here. Yes. And then that I want to do everything good so that this coming year 2020 election is not something whereby some people would judge me, some people will say that, Nana, why you want to be a member of parliament? I want to be a member of parliament because some of the ministers, when the government give them money to do something, they didn't do it. They do with their own pocket. The money the government give it to them, they just chop the money just like that. They didn't use the money to do anything that they're supposed to do. But Anako Kubonsam, look at my house. This is my house. Look at the cars that are parked over there. See the cars are parked over there. There's no need for me, Anako Kubonsam, to go and get the money, say that the money the government is going to use it for me, I'm going to use to buy cars. Never. I already have my cars over there. I already have my house. Everything is here. You understand? Look at the back there. I already have it. I have more than that. But I wanted to be a member of parliament. You see, the cars are parked over there. You understand? So, all these things doesn't mean that I'm going for parliament because of the money. No. I want to go to the parliament because of the corrupt. That the government has given the money to people. They're supposed to use the money to do something whereby they didn't use it. Me, I always, when somebody done a good thing, I'm going to tell you that you've done a good job. I can say that the former president, Mahama, has done a good job because he built schools. At the same time, I can say that Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo has done what Mukunkoro Pono cannot do it, because he brings free school. He done free school. You understand? At the same time, water free, electricity free. So he had done a good job. Because I've done, what do you call it? I've done free school before. I started 2006 to 2015. We are looking at 1,900 school children free education. I build market. When you come to my village, I come there, friend. I build a market. First time I build some, and then later on I build another. The police station that the policemen stay in, I come there, friend. I do it. They started doing it, and I finish it. I spent a lot of money over there, but I want people around the world to notice that. I don't know. Let everybody vote for me. I want to become a member of parliament. When you voted me into power, I will surely prove my accountability. This don't break your phones. The good thing you do, the good thing will follow you. That's why I said that Nana Adudanko Akufo-Addo, Onyankopon, Onshirano, say school no de buy ya, or a free education. The man has done what Mukunkoro cannot do it. Me my free education. Me started 2006 to 2015. The man me go school no cry. And this time because some ko pay bus, me call some pay option car. Ya mama, any man be go school no. No, I'm not doing I'm not stand MPP or NDC, but I say I'm going to be independent. I want to be independent in Akumadan Efrancho, Office North constituency. I want to become a member of parliament. That's why I pick my forms. This is my forms. You see, this is my forms. Neither you like it or not, I pick my forms. As a member of parliament. So I need your support, your prayers, your advice. If it is money, I'm not going to be a member of parliament. But because of the things that is not going on in official North constituency, if you go to in Kinkasu, you see that the church around the Ngingas, when the rainfall comes, nobody can even go to his houses. When you come to Akuma de Franco, Akuma Dine, the same thing applies here. A Franco is west and west and west. So you don't have MP here, you don't have DC here. So I'm using this opportunity to say this, to do it in respect. I want to be a member of parliament in 2020. And my focus, and I'm planning big time that official of they are going to vote for me. And when they voted me into power, when I became a member of parliament, I will try as much as possible. Anything that I say I'm going to do it, I will do it. People who just came here to blow your phones, they say they're going to do this, they're going to do this. Nothing. They didn't do nothing. They didn't face anything. So I'm talking to you now. Now Adudanko Akufo-Addo, he has done a lot. And he's a good man. Because the free education this man bring it, he has done a lot. The former president Mahama also done a lot. But Nana Akufo-Addo, he has done a lot. Because nobody can even tell me that, describe that Jesus is white or black. Whereby I didn't see Jesus, but I believe that maybe he's black or white. But when somebody says that Mahama, when he can build houses, he build interchange, you do this, I can say I see. But when somebody says that Nana Adudanko Akufo-Addo, he bring free education, I can say that yes, due to respect. And I'm witness like that. I know that Nana Adudanko Akufo-Addo, Now I'm talking to you now. Free light, free water. When you come to my house here, I can even show you my house. My house is very big, very big. But you see, how many people in this house? More than 120 people. They all fetch water, free drink, do everything free. So I'm not saying this, but that voted me into power in 2020 election as a member of parliament. We are going to vote skirt and blouse. Vote the MP for me, Nana Kwaku Mensam. And then the person who you want to be your president of the Republic of Ghana, and your own mind, you choose. When the MP come, he give you money. The MP is in people's houses. Give them money, share money, house to house. When the MP comes, he give you money, chop. When you are in the bus, the MP is not there. And then you vote for Nana Kwaku Mensam. Chop. Last Sunday, MP was going to houses, share money to around the people in Akumade Francho. You have the evidence and the proof.